I am at the home on Vogel Place in Millstadt. Really secluded, private driveway coming up. Really heavily treed lot. Brick and sided home. Nice porch. Landscaped. See, very country picturesque. Walking into the house. This stone porch. Hardwood floors. Wood side and brick. Hardwood floors coming into the house. Nice wide entry foyer, 1.5 story. Very open floor plan. Sunken living room. Dining room. The primary is here right off the foyer. Nice wood blinds, thermal windows. Walk-in closet, nice open, lots of space. You can see closet racks, older carpeting. Have jet tub, dual vanities, built-ins, tile, insert in the shower, water closet, linen cabinet. You can see we also have heat lamp. That's the primary. Hallway closet here. Step down into the living room. This is wood burning in the fireplace, and it peeks through to both sides. Step out into your patio off the back. Have a library or office here with lots of built-ins where you can also have fire on this side. French doors lead out to the patio here as well. It's all wooded, landscaped. Nice big tall bookshelves. Carpet's a little older in this area. Step back up. Heading into your dining room. This is your basement here. It is unfinished. Half bath, pedestal sink, kitchen, granite countertops, 42-inch, Whirlpool white appliances, looks like Bosch, and Whirlpool stove, bay window, and you have a nice walk-in pantry with pocket doors. So that's really nice. You kind of walk completely into the pantry. Shelving for pots and pans, wine rack. Your washer dryer here, and you also have back stairs over the garage for additional apartment here. This is interesting. So you could have additional living quarters here. So it's not finished, but you could finish 2 additional living quarters. So, and I was told that there is rough-in up here for plumbing. So you could finish this space. Window, heating and cooling is up here. So you could have additional living space up. For an apartment or what have you, in the space above the garage. washer dryer, utility closet, and then your 3-car garage. And this is additional entry to the basement. Well, this door is patio entry. I'll walk around outside, but the condenser units are zoned, raised beds for planting, and those are newer condenser units. But I will walk around outside so you can get a better look. That is it for, oh, not quite it. Sorry, forgot the sunroom here. Your sunroom. It's got concrete floor, fan, metal ceiling, but you have a nice little sunroom out here. It does have electric. That is it for the first floor. I'm going to head up to the second floor, then to the basement, then outside. Like I said, carpeting's a little bit older. You have a nice sitting area upstairs, up to this, next to the atrium window. Little office space or living space here, living room space, closets, storage, full bath. This is insert. Bedroom number 1 upstairs, nice and big. You could put a desk back there. A little different design, but plenty big. Like I said, leads into your sitting space between rooms. Then zoned heating here. That HVAC's a little older. Condenser units are newer. Additional closet space. And bedroom number 2, same style, walk-in closet. So that is it for the upstairs. Head down to the basement, then outside. Nothing really interesting to smell other than just that it's been vacant for a bit. Vacant house. Houses tend to get a little musty, but not anything that I can smell per se. Inside basement is unfinished. Concrete pour on the walls. .400 amp service. Rough-in for additional bath down. Water softener, water heater, They said the roof is about 5 years old. Water heater. Bradford white sometimes hides. It does have expansion tank and no condensation on the plum. Water softener here. And your well system. Nice huge basement. They did have some epoxy done. There's your sump pump. She said she had epoxy injections down here somewhere, but I'm not finding them. There they are. Where they had a crack when the basement was poured, the builder came back and did epoxy injections, and they haven't had any leaks or anything. Very dry. Nothing that I see. All PVC and copper. And 400 amp service. Lots of room in the box. So I'm going to go back up through the basement stairs and out the back so you can get a, or the garage stairs and out the back so you can get a look at the outside. Garage. Get a look. Brick, wood sided. Get a look at the landscaping. The roof is 3-tab shingle, does have gutter guards on it. The roof is about, like she said, about 5 years old. We'll kind of get a look. Pretty secluded. You come all the way out to the end of the drive and it's all mostly wooded. So if you wanted to expand, you're gonna have to cut down some trees. There's not a ton of yard per se, but kind of get a look from the side. The 3-car coming in where you end up. But that is it for Vogel Place.